What's up everyone, this is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Going to show you guys how to pair your Solo 4 headphones to a phone. You can pair these to your iOS device or your Android device. Really easy to do. If this video gives you value, please like and share and subscribe to our channel so we can keep making more videos like this. Easiest thing to do is go to your settings on your phone and then hit the power button here on the right side of your headphones. Just hold it, put them near each other. You're going to see it pop up as Solo 4. And then you'll click connect. Very simple to do. And you'll see that it'll connect. It'll make a little dinging noise on your phone. And easy as that. That's how you pair your Solo 4 headphones to an iPhone or an Android device. The process is very similar to a Android device. Just gotta hold the power button, make sure you're in Bluetooth settings, and you'll see it pop up in your settings. You'll click on that and off you go. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Have a great day.